What's up guys, my name is Fabio Sartori and in this video I will show you how to create a Jasper report using a GraphQL data source. So, first of all we have to install this plugin. All the instructions is here. I will put this link on descriptions in the video down below, and let me show you my setup. I have a simple API in GraphQL. My API contains two queries. One query is for list people. Pessoas means people in Portuguese, and pessoa means person in Portuguese. So I have this query which returns a list of people. Okay, so to connect my Jasper server and my Jasper Studio to a GraphQL API, we have to install that plugin. Okay, I have this plugin already installed. So let's connect my Jasper Studio to my API. So I have to create a new adapter. The kind of adapter will be web source. Next, let me call it GraphQL people API. So my server API is let me get the IP. Okay. Alright, there is. So HTTP GraphQL. Okay, my connection type will be post, language, JSON, and for authentication I'll set basic. Okay, so we have a data adapter to my GraphQL API. Let's create my report. It's a simple report, only to show you how to do that. And let's start it. Okay, I'll select a blank A4. Let's call it people. Next, and on this page I will select my data source, GraphQL people API web source. Over here on content type I'll select JSON, but the most important is to create another content type. This content type will be application GraphQL. Okay, and over here I will put my GraphQL query. This one. The exactly query to fetch my data. So here it is. Let's go to Fields tab and get server response. Okay. Alright, there's my server response. As you can see, the data fetches more than one pessoas items. That's because the return comes into an array, so we can bypass this using this option, setting as root path. These options enable a kind of loop between the data. Okay, so I set the root path, and then let me add the fields. Add node as a field. Okay. Okay. Next, let me add the fields, all the fields. Okay. Next, in this video I'll never use group by. So next and finish. Okay. Let's remove the sections on the reports we don't need on this video. Okay, page footer and column footer. Okay. Let me add a title. Title will be people's list, no, list of people from a GraphQL API. Okay. Let's increase font size. Alright. Let's add the fields. So my fields are over here. Okay. Let's change the name of this column to name, and then change color. Set up some kind of green. Okay, and for font color white. Okay, let's increase font size, maybe 16. Okay, and adjust here. Okay, that's right. Let's test, preview. There is. So thank you guys. See you later.